Hi friends, this is the RP. In this video, we will see how we supposed to trade on Monday, Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures. What are the important levels? How we will trade on intraday. So first we will see the Nifty futures chart and we will mark out where are the resistance points and where is the support. So how we will trade on Monday. Now straight away we will go to the Nifty daily candlestick chart and then we'll see the levels. This is the daily candlestick of Nifty futures. So last trading day, this Friday, the highest is 17,930. This is the resistance point for the Monday. If the price opens above this, then the strategy will be different. If the price opens below this, then the strategy is this one. What we are going to plan for Monday. So now what happens? This is the daily candlesticks. I am changing this daily candlesticks to the time frame of 45 minutes. So this is the 45-minute chart of Nifty futures. If you see, this is the previous supply area. It is surpassed on Thursday and went up. On Friday, it opened a gap up and tested 17,930. And from there it has given a fall, right? So this area 17,910 and 17,930, this is the supply area for Monday. So and demand area 17,800 to 17,760. This is the demand area, this is the supply area. We'll note it down. This is the supply and this is the demand area. So this is the demand area. So now we'll change this time frame to 15 minutes and we will plan for the Monday trade. Now we just change the time frame to 15 minutes and again we plot for the good areas to enter. This is the best area to enter for a long trade. If the price opens in between 17,900 and 17,787. If any price in between it opens, let the price to come down to this area 17,780 kind of levels and we will go for a long entry and keeping a stop loss below 17,740. And we will wait to take out the profits at 17,950 kind of levels. If the price goes to this area, then we can take out our profits. Very simple trade. The one more thing important is if the price opens below this 17,000 for any reason, any gap down opens, then we will wait the price to come to this area, that is 17,680. That there also we can buy. Otherwise, we will wait the price to come to this zone and we'll buy here and keeping a stop loss and wait for the up moment and we'll take out our profits around 17,900 or 910 kind of levels. So this is the Nifty futures trade setup for Monday. And we'll see the Bank Nifty also how we'll trade on Monday. So this is the Bank Nifty futures chart, daily time frame. If you see, very decent support at 36,500 and higher level, this is the resistance area and also there is supply around 38,224 and 38,000. So 200 point zone is the supply area and a bigger time frame. So we will reduce the time frame to 45 minutes and we'll see where are the levels. So only changing is reducing the time frame. So this is the time frame reduced. So again this is the supply area. So now we can trim it to, this is the 45-minute time frame chart. So here we can get a decent support for the Bank Nifty futures, that is 37,435 and 37,370 zone. Previous it went up to this and came back and given a breakout. So this breakout level will give you a decent support for Monday. If the price opens in between this 38,000 and 37,500, within this 500 points, if the Bank Nifty opens, then we'll wait until the price comes to around 37,435 or 450 kind of levels. Then we can go for a long entry and keep a stop loss around 37,350 and take out our profits. If the price comes here, it will bounce and it may test again 37,800 kind of levels. Then we can take out our profits. So in a smaller time frame also we can plan the same thing. On a 15-minute time frame also, this is the decent setup for Monday. So Bank Nifty and Nifty futures trading for Monday. Now we'll see some stocks. We'll list out some stocks where we can take long positions or a short positions on intraday basis. So two stocks we'll see how to trade on Monday. One is Astral Poly, another is Page Industries. Now we'll see the Page Industry technical chart. So this chart is Page Industries. You'll see on Friday, this is the price action. So it opened here and all the way it went up to the 34,000. So this is the highest, 34,800. From there then profit booking came and the price fall back. So now very good support area is this one. So around 33,050 and 32,800. So on Monday we can enter, if the price comes to this area, we can enter a long position keeping a stop loss below 32,800, aim for a target of 33,950. So this area we can keep it as a target place. This area is a target place and keep a stop loss below 32,800. Very simple plan. This is the Page Industries. So for Monday trading. So another one is Astral Poly. This is the Astral Limited stock. The candlestick chart. If you see, this is the consolidation area. If the price comes down to around 2000 kind of levels, this is the area where we can get some good support. So around 2086 or 2060. This is the area we can go for a long entry, keeping a stop loss below 2050 and aim for a target of 2160. Very simple trade plan. If the price comes to around 2080 to 2060, then we can go for a long entry, keep a stop loss below 2050 and aim for a target of 2150 or 160 kind of levels. So these two stocks, futures is a lot of long build up is there, and last trading day also it has given a long build up along with the price movement. So that why we selected these two stocks. One is Page Industries, another is Astral Poly. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. Give a comments in the comment section. Thank you.